right, today is day 47 of my 100 days of Keto Chow. Still going great. We did our meetup last night. That was a lot of fun. There's a lot of really amazing food there that I didn't eat. It all looked really good. I did make I did a live, not live. I did an update yesterday really late, so you know that I did the biscuits. This morning I prepared a bunch of sausage and bacon with cheese bags that the kids can throw into a cup with some eggs and microwave them, basically to make the Jimmy Dean's scrambles, except a lot cheaper. Anyway, so I worked on that this morning. I also made a whole bunch of ground beef that we're going to be using to make peace, love, and low carbs, just like the real thing, lasagna. And that's actually what I'm going to go do right now. We got to make the noodles, as they're called, and the filling and stuff like that. So anyway, happy day, and I will see you all on day 48.